can be the natural speaker of English.
By
This is the thing,
practicing.
just by practicing. What kind of practice is greatly needed there for that?
So, talking to everyone in English or talking to
Yes,
in class.
talking is easy, but the easier thing is to think. The most easiest thing is to think wherever, whenever, anywhere you are going, you have to think in English.
So one thing there is also the stress level. Like we are pursuing our eyes, but sometimes we are at somewhere else. Our mind is working on another thing.
Yes, this is the biggest
So this is the
challenge
issue with me.
with everyone, not with you
Sir,
only.
but
Most
sometimes
likely
you
it is.
comes that has never happened to us, so how could we get some ideas
Yes.
over that thing?
For that, I am just telling you 100% how you can keep your mind in present. It's the biggest problem with every Indian scholar who is learning literature, language, and grammar. This is the common, basic, fundamental grammar, fundamental problem of the students, learners, and scholars. Even in university scholars, whatsoever they are learning, I find I diagnose this thing in that scholarly learnings. But how you can improve this thing? Just you are to think in English always, wherever you are doing. Do not be confined up to your literature and any kind of writings. You have not to use, not to keep in your mind that if I have pen and pencil, or pen, pencil, or paper with having the conduct of these things only, you are not to keep this thing in your mind. You are to keep your mind in present everywhere, and you are to think about the processing of the things. Wherever you go, whenever you go, whenever you talk with anyone, someone is unknown to you, then you can start. How will you identify yourself at that place where you are unknown to them? Yes, please tell me. How will you make yourself identify with the surroundings?
By observing.
By observation. Any other way? Just how will you apply this word? Observation is good. It's a technique. It's a kind of technique and methodology that we can apply just by observing. Observing means just is the intellectual thing, and it cannot be practically fundamentally applied anywhere. How to apply this word? Yes, ma'am.
So by observing, by feeling the presence that we are present in this particular place,
Okay.
and by looking the surrounding.
Okay. You
By
physically.
thinking that our mind is we are in this particular place and we are now present over here.
So
Not
by
at
involving
any-
ourselves in that situation.
Yes, I am telling you just the autobiography of a strong social reformer, Swami Vivekananda. Perhaps you have heard his name. When you will go through his autobiography, you will know a great things about that personality. What is the great in that personality? He was basically Indian. He was good in idolatry, ideologies of Indians. But later on, he gave up all these things by changing the ideas. He says that one idea can change your whole mind and body. Means that one idea can change the whole world, even physically, mentally, and emotionally, and even spiritually. Spiritual is the above all these things. So the most spiritualistic ideas Swami Vivekananda kept in his mind. Then he went in America in 1893 and exposed the Indian culture. Our culture was exposed by that personality originally and commonly by using the words my brothers and sisters. What did he express to them? How has he expressed himself? Why there was not the unnaturality in his mind? Basically, he was Indian. His motherland was in India. But later on, he exposed himself very naturally and commonly. What was with him? Who was with him? I'm just telling you this thing that when you will go through the autobiography of Swami Vivekananda through the YouTube, you can get but you cannot feel. If you want to feel, then only when you have the philosophy of that personality, by knowing the philosophy and psychology of that person who created the upheaval in the whole world, just by expressing two words in front of the doctors, engineers, scholars, highly scholarly persons were there, but he was fearless and friendly for others. How he was so? It is the great requirement for our the Indian scholars. If we Indian scholars will follow the philosophy of this person, to whom our present Prime Minister also has followed. Who is the role model of present Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Who is the ideal of that personality? Obviously, Swami Vivekananda. Thought based. So, how to develop our thought? How we can form our thought? Just we are to keep our mind in 100% in present. 100% in present, not 99%. 1% may change drastic, devastating situation and condition it may create. Our body is made by 5 elements. First of all, we are to keep in our mind. We are not to be confined any religion, culture, caste, language and all that whatsoever we have. These are the foundations. These are the coverings that take us away from the moral values and spiritual values of our nation. We cannot get the actuality of our nation. If we are truly nationalistic and patriotistic, we are to think this thing that our body is made by air, fire, soil, sky and water. This was the ideology of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, who was the starter of Sikhism. Perhaps you have read in Punjabi culture that someone used to say koi aakhe putna, koi aakhe vitala, koi aakhe Nanak bichara. Ultimately he himself says that Panch Tat ka putla Nanak mero naam. Starters, when you will go through the philosophies, psychologies of the starters, then definitely you will get a number of ideas. While being a starter of any kind of passage, any kind of writing, you can write easily. It will make you confident. Any other starter if we talk? Any other starter? Beginner?
Sir, but these 5 elements are only for the body now, but we actually are soul residing in this body.
Yes, we are writing above the body. Exactly, you are saying that. Because Swami Vivekananda felt that there is the spiritual perception where there is not 5 elements. In air less, fire less, soil less, sky less and waterless position, God's existence is also there.
Yeah, because body cannot survive in the absence of these elements, but soul does.
Surely, sir. Body can only help us to mix up with the materialistic world, not with the spiritual world. Even as we read in Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj Ji's philosophy and teachings that अब्बल अल्लाह नूर उपायो कुदरत के सब बंदे एक नूर ते सब जग उपजया कौन भले कौन मंदे. It is written in Punjabi that light has created, vibrated and activated all the 84 lakh species of the world. It is the power of in light. Swami Vivekananda thought that God exists there where there is no light and no sound. Even God exists there where there is light less position and sound less position. So he wrote in his philosophy, unread, unspoken, unwritten, unheard is also the existence of that supernatural power. But how a common man, how a layman can achieve this salvation and emancipation from the clutches of this materialistic world? It's the biggest problem in front of the scholars. Just by doing and keeping ourselves in 100% in present. How we can keep ourselves 100% in present? By doing pranayama. It gives us a lot of energy while in taking oxygen in our body. If we are feeling unwell, if we are feeling unfamiliar, if we are feeling fearlessness, then we are to be friendly with the environment. We are to be familiar with the environment and atmosphere, nature. We are to spend maximum time with nature. Nature speaks with us. How? How nature speaks with us?
So the presence of air
Yes,
and even that greenery.
yes.
So
Almost.
in my opinion, there is a universal language which is understood by almost every creature on this planet.
Yes.
The language of vibrations and the aura we feel when we meet person and first instant.
Yes, rays. Vibration means waves of the sound and rays of the light.
Vibrations means the frequency of our thoughts.
That frequency of our thoughts. Internally, we can express this thing. But wherever you are, whether you are at your home, park, in club, and with the nature, you have to communicate with them. You have to speak with them. I knew this thing when I went in the holy church, when I went in Shri Guru Granth Sahib teachings, when I went at in Guru Dwara Sahib, there also they speak some words and sounds. That sounds make them, provide them 100% presence of sense of their mind. It makes them really able. But now problem with us that where is the word? How our mind can collect and select the word? It is the problem in front of us. How we can get the word? Vocab is greatly needed. When we are visiting any bank, then bank related vocabs is needed. When we are in hospital, then hospital related words are needed. Anywhere, wherever we go, we are needed the words. This is the power of word. And even Swami Vivekananda thought that where there is word, less power, there is also the existence of God. He also exists there, but it is the more deepened philosophy of that personality. I'm simply explaining that personality, not in deep. Please, good morning. Not in deep. I am saying you anything. Simply, you are to collect your ideas wherever you are. You are to collect the words, universal words that are used anywhere, whether you are in hotel, whether you are in parks, clubs, hospital, and your school, college, in your profession, in your daily routine. If you get up early in the morning and you talk to the different objects and elements of nature, then you will become very simple in speaking. Very simple. Now, can you explain, please, who is your role model?
My father.
Okay. Yes. Yes, please.
Parents.
Well, I heard to a spiritual speaker. Her name is Sister Shivani. I do follow her.
Okay. Yes, please.
My parents.
Yes.
So my father. My father.
Yes, sir.
Eleanor.
Okay.
Jay Sheikh.
Okay.
Even.
Now it's the thing. Like a scientist, you are speaking. You're thinking yourself. You are a scientist, not less than scientist, because they try to speak in some formulas and words. So, sorry, sir.
Sir, I have just a urgent.
Yes, yes.
I will give some talk.
Yes. But how to go in detail? It's the main thing. Don't try to sum up the question in the one word, single word. Take time. How will you take time? By closing your eyes. Wherever you are, just for some time you have to close your eyes. Your eyes should move. It should be frequently and subsequently should close and open, close and open. Try to practice first this thing while speaking. It will make you able to go inside your mind, not others' mind, please. Yes. It will take you in your mind. Your mind will start reading just by being the mentorship of the eyes. When you will close your eyes, these eyes tell us, these eyes expresses us what I am to speak now. These eyes will tell you. If you will be confined by the externalities around us, whatsoever we have, then we become bound to speak. But we are to be unbound to speak, unrelenting to speak, unceasing to speak, unread to speak, unwritten to speak. How we can go in the position of when we will close our eyes for a moment, for a single moment. If we close, then we can speak a lot of sentences, a lot of words. Our mind tries to express automatically. So this is the power of word. Every word itself is magical, musical and majestic. But when it will support the ideas, when this word will support the ideas, when we will let it time to process, it needs processing time. Now I am asking from you, who is your role model? Means what's indirectly I want to say, what's your objective? Means something you have collected and selected in that personality that has been heart touching to you. That's why you are speaking about them. And very simply you have finished your talking. And if I say you about speaking the things, how will you express the things? Yes, please express your notebook that you have under your elbow, please.
Yes, sir.
Explain this notebook, please.
How can I explain?
Yes, you sir, please explain your notebook, please.
This notebook is given by institute.
Yes.
And in your notebook, we can write our score as well as the trading score. And,
Good. Yes, please.
This notebook is given by institute,
Yes.
and this notebook we can write all the videos easily, and we can write marks which we obtained in the test.
Yes, ma'am, please.
So in this notebook is given by the institute, and in this have four sections for practicing, and for practicing, that is writing, speaking, listening, and also we can write the scores in it.
Good. Yes, please.
Well, I have this notebook which is provided to me by the institute itself, and it has various sections in which is present in such a form in which we will get our test papers also while we go for the exam, so that we can get practice really well beforehand. And also it has a very good thing which I really like is the performance sheet which is given at that front, so that we can write our daily performance and keep a track to our performance. Thank you.
Good. Yes, please, sir.
So
Explain.
This notebook has proved very useful to me because it has a certain kind of format in it, so that we use to the basic format which comes in the exam.